Hi, pharmacist Brad White from the Medicine Center Pharmacy in New Philadelphia. And today I wanted to talk to you about one of our very popular compounded medications that we prepare here in our accredited lab, and it is sublingual semaglutide. And this product has been very popular for patients. You may have heard it as GLP-1s is the drug category. Sublingual semaglutide is a drug that people often use for weight loss assistance. It's been pretty popular here in the last couple years. I'm sure you may have heard about it. And if you want to learn more, by all means, reach out to us here at the Medicine Center Pharmacy, and we'd be happy to be a resource for you on your weight loss journey. So we've had a number of patients that have had great success with this, and this video is designed to give you the best tools to set you up for success using our compounded product. So the best thing that you can do is make sure you use the product right. And I'm going to tell you how to do that, and then I'll show you the tools that we give you to do so. So first off, you need to make sure you take your dose the same time each day. And it's important when you take your dose that you're prepared not to eat or drink for 30 minutes after you take your dose. So your dose is going to go under your tongue or in your cheek. And what we want to make sure you do is when you get your drug, you're going to get it in a glass bottle. We want to make sure that you shake this up good for 30 seconds. The better you can make sure that everything is evenly distributed in the bottle, the more accurate your dose will be, the better dose you'll get, the faster you'll get success. So you're going to shake this sucker up really good before you take your dose. You also want to make sure you brush your teeth first. We like to recommend patients brush their teeth for a number of reasons. One, not only does it exfoliate the skin and the mouth, but it also helps massage your gums, which can increase blood flow to the area, and increased blood flow will help increase sublingual absorption for you. So think about that. A lot of people like to take their dose at bath time or shower time. And the benefit of that is it kind of compartmentalizes your ability to eat or drink. So if you take your dose before you jump in the shower and you are in the shower for 5 or 6 minutes and you can hold that dose under your tongue for 5 or 6 minutes, it will increase your likelihood of absorption and your success ultimately on your weight loss journey. So you want to hold that dose under your tongue for at least 90 seconds, but it's really important that you make sure you hold it as long as you can. And it has a pleasant taste. It's easy to do. I'd recommend if you can do it for 3 or 4 minutes, you do it at least that, and then you swallow the medication. So after you've done all that, I want to show you the tools you'll get in our prescription. You'll get your bottle, your sublingual semaglutide. You'll get a little blue Adaptacap is what we call this. This goes on top of the bottle, and we'll give you a sealed oral syringe. There's no needles. You don't worry about needles for sublingual semaglutide, okay? So what you'll do is you'll shake this sucker up good. The first time you get it, you'll put your blue Adaptacap on, and it screws on top like this. And this blue piece will snap on top, and it'll be air and liquid tight for you. So you can shake this sucker up good for 30 seconds or so. Again, you know, the better you shake, the more evenly distributed, the higher results of your success. So you just take your fingernail then and you pop this lid off so that'll open back up, and then you stick your syringe in the top and you invert your bottle. Now, your first doses are going to be 0.3 milliliters. So I wanted to show you that 0.3 mLs is right here. It's the third hash mark on this 1 ml oral syringe. And you'll do that dose for the first week. After you start to titrate up to higher doses, your dose is going to be 0.5 mLs. And that'll be 5 hash marks up on the syringe. So I guess I should show it to you top side. But 0.5, it's about halfway up the syringe, is what your dose will be. You always want to make sure that you limit your dose volume to that. And it's important because your oral cavity only has so much space, and you can only put so much liquid down there. So if you put too much liquid, you're going to have over-salivating, and it's going to be difficult to hold it there, and you're not going to get accurate absorption. So we want to make sure you do that. So what you're going to do then is you're going to pull your syringe out, and you're going to take your dose, and you're literally going to put it under your tongue or in your cheek and squirt it in there, and you're going to hold it there for at least 90 seconds like we talked about, ideally 3 or 4 or 5 minutes if you can. And most patients I talk to have no problem doing that, and they've had really, really good success. So you're going to do your dose once a day. You're going to do it at the same time each day. You're not going to eat or drink for 30 minutes after you take your dose. And then you want to make sure that you always shake this bottle up good. You know, consider brushing your teeth before you take your dose. And that's about it. So what we like to do is we like to touch base and follow up with you on a monthly basis to check in and see how you're doing. Be advised that there are possible you could have some side effects. Side effects could be nausea or constipation. They're not very common that we've seen with the sublingual product, but it's something we want to avoid. When you take this medication, it's in your system for a week. So when we help you and your doctor dose this product, we like to start with what we call a titration schedule. You start your dose low, and then it gradually increases in strength as we make sure that your body has tolerated it and you're doing well on it. As far as expectations go, this works, okay? But like all humans, we all want results now. I will be transparent with you, you are not going to get results immediately on this medication. It takes time to build up in your system. You need to be patient for the first month through the titrating dose. You will probably lose some weight. But the reality is your best weight loss success is going to probably come in months 3, 4, and 5 along the line. So this works. Like with anything, it takes time. We have patients that have lost over 20 pounds using this medically supervised weight loss technique, but they've also combined it with proper diet changes and exercise. This is going to help control your appetite, okay? So it's also important to realize that you need to modify your portions that you make and eat on a daily basis, but that probably won't be much of a problem as this starts to curb your hunger. So we want to be a resource here for you at the Medicine Center. We're happy to help patients and providers be successful with sublingual semaglutide. If you have questions, please reach out to us here at the pharmacy, and we'd be happy to be a resource. Thank you.